When do you think is the right time to let go? Di ba minsan, pag nagmahal tayo, kahit masakit na, lumalaban ka pa? Isa na siguro to sa pinakamahirap na desisyon when it comes to love. Yung bibitawan mo yung taong sobrang mahal mo. Yung bibitawan mo yung tao kahit na alam mo na masasaktan ka kapag ginawa mo ito. Pero minsan kasi, letting go is the right decision para sa'yo at para na rin dun sa taong minamahal mo. Tingin ko, when you think, binigay mo na yung best mo. Ginawa mo na lahat-lahat ng alam mong kaya mo to make it work, pero wala pa rin. Kasi, in a relationship, hindi lang naman dapat ikaw yung nag-workout niyan. It must be the work of the both of you. Kung ikaw na lang yung lumalaban, at hindi na rin na-appreciate yung effort na ginagawa mo, I think, it's the wiser decision na mag-let go. Bago pa dumating sa point that you are crushed into pieces beyond reparation, bumitaw ka na. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na bumitaw ka, you didn't love enough. Minsan kasi, yun na yung mas tamang gawin. Yun na yung mas makabubuti sa inyong dalawa na gawin. Remember that there are various ways to love. It's not always in holding on. Sometimes, letting go is love too.